Hello everyone, welcome back to Agapelovee. Today we are making this adorable sunflower pouch. The perfect little bag for your earbuds, lip balm, keys, coins or even as a cute bag charm. It's beginner friendly, works up super fast, around 30 minutes once you get the hang of it, and looks absolutely stunning. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new crochet project. Let's get started. Material I'll be using today: brown, yellow and beige yarn. Hook size is 4.0 mm and a pair of scissors. First we will start with the pouch. So I am using beige color yarn and make a slip knot like this. Now insert your hook into this loop and make it tight. And now work chain 20. Yarn over your hook, pull through this loop. So this is foundation chain. Let's make chain 20. A 20 chain is ready. If you want to increase the size of your pouch, you can increase the chain length. And now I'm adding 3 more chains. And now yarn over your hook and skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Into 4th opening, work 1 double crochet. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. Like this. Again into next chain, work 1 double crochet. And like this, complete the row with 1 double crochet in each. Row 1 is complete with double crochet in each of the stitch. And now we will not turn our work but work on the other side of the foundation chain. On these holes you can see. So first we will do our 1 double crochet in the very last chain. So here you will have 2 double crochet in one chain gap. Then again into next chain gap 1 double crochet. Like this we will complete our row. After a few double crochets, now turn the right side out like this, and now you can complete the row. And this is how your foundation chain with double crochet all around will look like. Let's complete this double crochet row. Now let's do last double crochet. And in the end, where we did our chain 4 while making foundation chain, on the top of that we will work 1 double crochet. Into this gap you can see right here we will work 1 double crochet. And now our row 2 is start, and keep working double crochet stitches all around this row. And our 2 rows are complete. You can see it's taking the shape of a pouch, and like this we will keep repeating double crochet stitches all around this pouch until we have 7 rows. So let's complete till 7 row. And here I am on 7 row with last double crochet stitches. And the main body of the pouch is complete. If you want to increase the rows, you can increase. If you want to decrease, you can decrease according to your desirable length. And now for the edges, I will work slip stitch in each of this chain to give the pouch clean look. So let's complete slip stitch all over the pouch. And after last slip stitch, chain 1, pull a loop and cut off the yarn. So this was my leftover yarn, that's why I just pull out all the yarn. but you can just pull up a loop, a long loop, and then cut off the yarn. And the main body of our pouch is complete, and you can check the size, the length, the width. Yeah, this is almost complete. Now we will make the sunflower. We will start with the center part of the sunflower. So I'm using brown color yarn, and let's make a magic ring. Make a cross like this, then insert your hook, pull up a loop, turn it around, and then chain 1. So this is our magic ring, and we will work into this ring. Now add one more chain and work 8 half double crochet into this magic ring. Eight half double crochet is complete. Now pull this tail to close the magic ring, and where we did our chain 2, we will work 1 slip stitch over there. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, and pull through this loop which is on your hook. So our center part and round 1 is complete. For second round, we will add 2 chains and work 2 half double crochet in each of this stitch. So our chain 2 will count as our first half double crochet, then we did our second half double crochet. Now into second opening, we will work 2 half double crochet, then into third opening 2 half double crochet, and like this. In total you should have 16 half double crochet. So let's complete our second round. This is our last half double crochet, and where we did our chain 2, we will work 1 slip stitch there to close our second round. So insert your hook, and then pull up a loop and pull through this loop. Now chain 1, make a long loop, and then cut off the yarn, and our center part of the sunflower is ready. Now let's cut off this tail and make it tight. And now we will work on the petals. For petal, insert your hook in any of this stitch, and then pull a loop of the yellow yarn, pull a loop, and then make sure to secure the end like this. And now chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and into next stitch we will work treble crochet. For treble crochet, yarn over your hook twice, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, then chain 1 and insert your hook into these 2 loops, pull a loop, work 1 slip stitch. So this is a bit tricky part. And after slip stitch, again yarn over your hook twice, and into same stitch gap work 1 more treble crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then chain 2, 1, 2, into next stitch work 1 slip stitch. So this is the petal of sunflower. Give it a good shape. Yeah, so our first petal is complete, and like this we will make all the petals. For next petal we will do chain 4 and then 1 treble crochet into next stitch while securing the end. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and chain 1 and work 1 slip stitch, and then again 1 more treble crochet into same stitch, then chain 2, 1, 2, to next stitch work 1 slip stitch. So our 2 petals are complete, and like this complete all the petals. Let's do last slip stitch into our chain 4. In chain 1 make a long loop, cut off the yarn, and pull the tail to secure it and give good shape to the petals. So our sunflower is ready to be attached to the pouch. But first we will hide this tail. I'm using a smaller hook here to pull this tail through the back of the petals. You can hide the tails like this. And then cut off the excess yarn. So our flower is completely ready. Now mark the sign where you want to place the sunflower. If you want to place the flower in the middle, you can attach there, but I want to make it on the right side. And with thread and needle, I am sewing my flower to the pouch. And if you want to use hot glue gun, you can use that, but I like sewing. So let's complete this. And our cute crochet sunflower pouch is ready. And now we will attach the lining, stitch button and a holder. Now we will make the lining for this pouch. Fold the fabric into half, place the pouch on the top, and we will cut around, leaving about half an inch of extra fabric all the way around. So let's cut it. First, turn the fabric right side in, and on the wrong side we will do the stitching part. And now from the left side, right here, we will sew the left side to close it. So the left side is joined, and now we will place the pouch over this fabric and match the size where we need to do stitching. So this is the extra portion. We will fold the open edge inward to match the pouch size. Let's open the both edges and we will fold it like this. And we will stitch this edge to give it a clean look. So the stitching part is complete. After sewing this part, I've also stitched this edge. So it's all done, and now we will attach this fabric pouch to the crochet pouch. So fold it in the half and put it inside like this. Make sure the wrong side is outside and the right side is inner side, and place it properly. And now we will start joining this fabric lining to the crochet pouch. I'm using needle and thread. So let's attach the lining to the pouch. So lining is attached to the pouch, and this is looking so neat and professional from inside. You can see the stitches. Stitches are not that visible, and the lining is perfectly attached. And now if you want, you can add zipper, but I'll be using these buttons. So first mark the middle of the pouch, and then right there just attach these buttons to the both sides. And make sure that you're attaching these buttons in the middle of the pouch. So first mark perfectly and then attach these buttons to the lining. Again, I'm using same thread and needle, and let's sew this part also. And now with the button attached, the lining neatly sewn in, our sunflower crochet pouch is almost complete. Now we will add the wrist strap or handle on the left side of the pouch. For the handle I'm using same beige color yarn. Now on the left side where we did the slip stitches, insert your hook like this and then pull a loop of the beige color yarn. Pull a loop like this and then secure the end. And now for the wrist strap or handle, I'll be doing 30 chains. If you want to increase, you can increase the chains according to your desirable length. So let's complete 30 chains. And after 30 chain, we will make a slip stitch into the same stitch. Right here, insert your hook, pull up a loop, and then pull through this loop which is on your hook. And then chain 1. Now turn your this 30 chain and work slip stitch into these chains. And after last slip stitch, chain 1, make a long loop and cut off the yarn. And finally our sunflower crochet pouch is complete. First, make sure to hide these tails. Again, I'll be using this small hook to hide the tail into this pattern. And after weaving the end, hiding the tails, our crochet sunflower pouch is complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial and it was easy to follow, please make sure to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and comment below your suggestions. And soon we will meet with next crochet project, easy for beginners. Till then, see you, bye bye, take care and happy crocheting.